Sir, can we start?
Yes, sir, you can start.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome you all on our last session about the skill improvement program on PTC Creo. Today, we will be going to discuss about the intelligent fasteners extension, advanced framework extension, human factor extension, augmented reality, and last one is the question. In the end, we will discuss the question and answers. So this will be our agenda for our today's session. So first one is the intelligent fastener extension. So everyone may know about the fasteners. That means nut, bolt, hex bolt, washers, dowel pins. That is the all they are the fasteners. So why we call in this software that extension as an intelligent fastener extension? Because in this Creo software environment, if we are if you want to insert any fasteners in the assembly, in that situation, software automatically takes that hole, and if you want to add any standard size of fasteners like M10, M12, standard threadings of that fasteners, the software automatically create the hole for the specific software with the allowance and all the tolerances. So by using these references, if software also takes the automatic referencing as per the reference scheme, software automatically takes the references, and if you want to add the fasteners at the all instances at a single operation, it will automatically add all that instances with the one click. So that's why this Creo extension we called as an intelligent fastener extension. So these the shortcut for is the IFX. After that, we will discuss about the advanced framework extensions for the every SPM manufacturer or structural manufacturer structure industries those are working, or any SPM manufacturer for the every special purpose machine who wants to create the base for their machines, like table structure or any shade of their factories. So those type of work we can do with this advanced framework extension. We called it is as advanced because it will takes the automatically shape, automatic calculate the size for the frameworks components. It will allows us to rotate, it will allows us to give this manual positioning also for this framework. So by using these frameworks also we can create the required joints for each other. We can create add the connector elements, we can add the ladders, we can add the railings. So these all the standard libraries are available in this advanced framework extension. Next one is the human factor extension. How we can use this human factor extension? So if when we are going to manufacture any product, any machine, at this situation we need to keep in mind those things. If the operator or engineer want to operate that machine, so every point those operator will operate that buttons or any lever or any points the operator need to go. So those type of analysis we can do in this human factor extension. We can also analyze the human ability. So by using the this we can insert this mannequin posture itself in the Creo environment, and we can analyze how the visualization cones also we can observe by using this human factor. And next one is the augmented reality. May everyone about the, short idea about the augmented reality. Whereas in this augmented reality, we can create the 3D experience in our real environment at our floor screen. So I will show this augmented reality live also with the help of our mobile phones. So you can also try, if you want to try this augmented reality at your own place by using your mobile phones. You need to download from the Play Store and the App Store as a before your View application. Just View application you need to download from the Play Store, and you can observe this augmented reality experience at your own place also. PTC Creo already uploaded some of the standard some experiences on their website. So if you are going to download this view app, you will also open those views. So for that, for the Android phones, you should have this thing mark, just like a code. I will share that code also with you. And if you have the iPhones or iPads, you can directly create your augmented reality experience at your floor step. So these are our today's topics. So let's start from the first one, which is the Creo Intelligent Fastener Extension, which is IFX. The capabilities of the IFX tool to automate the fastener geometry creations and the hardware assembly. Generally, who needs this IFX tool? The target customer create the products that require the assembly fabrication and or the scheduled services and maintenance. So those customers, you can use this IFX tool. The fastener assembly allows equipment to be assembled and disassembled for the transport, service as well as maintenance. The business value is also important for the IFX. It will always reduce the time to market, and it will also reduce the product development cost. When we are completed our assembly any machine, so after that we need to insert every fasteners for the every fitting element. And that situation, the fastening assembly is not as so important, but it is very time taking. So if you have any standard library, we can do it very easily. So this is the scenario while using the IFX tool. So technology and capability for this IFX, we can rapid fastener and hardware selection tools are available. Automatic creation of fastener geometry. As I said, the fastener will automatically create the holes, axis, and the cutout geometry if you are using the counterbores. So those type of automatic creation of fastener geometry are also available in this IFX. And next one is the automatic placement of fasteners and configuration hardware. As you can see in this structure, screw fastener definition image, you can see here is the just one layout of this 2D preview of that fastener. You can add the washers, you can add the X bolt, nuts, and you need to just click on here side one washer, side two washer, this type of tick marks options. And in the next window, you can see here hole UNC. You can add the close fit, tight fit, free fit tolerances for these holes. Also, you can add the side one, side two counter bore holes automatically. You can also define the diameters of that counter bores. So this way you can easily add these fasteners, and I will tell more in the assembly about the advantages of IFX tool. So next one is the Creo Advanced Framework Extensions. By using these advanced framework extensions, we can speed our design and improve the accuracy of structural framework assemblies. So you can see in those two images, we can insert the ladders, we can insert the teach profiles, we can insert the C channels, I-beam profiles, multiple profiles, lots of standards are available in this AFX. So all the customers that create the structural framework for their assemblies or the building structures, machineries, and assembly lines. So those all the standard components are available in this advanced framework design extension. The technology and capability are using uses in this AFX. It is very easy to use process driven user interface. It is fully integrated modeling framework design and analysis. When we are going to insert any channel or any profile in this assembly, it will always create a separate part file for it. So when we are going to we are trying to do any changes in the assembly, it will automatically update the all part sizes as automatically. We don't need to update every parts or every component manually. It will automatically update if you are doing any changes in the sketches or that reference elements. It will automatically create updated. The comprehensive and customizable libraries of profile, joints, connection, and equipments are available in this. As I said, the profiles like channel beams for the joint elements, the connector elements are available. Hinges are available, two side hinges, one side hinges. The bottom support options are available, and the equipment, as I said, the ladders are available, railings are available, ready-made wheel bottom wheels are available. So we can directly use those ready assembly structures in this AFX. The automated beam placement and creation of framework geometry, that means joints and connection. The beam placements like the joints and connections, we can directly create the cutouts for it. Automated creation of bill of material, production drawings, and fabrication data, also we can directly create on the single click. How we can use this AFX also I will tell. Next one is the human factor extension. We need to validate and optimize the products for the human interaction and usability of and the safety purposes. So when we are going to manufacture any machine, we need to validate and optimize our product by using this human interaction, how a human body will interact with these machines, and usability and this safety purposes also we need to validate our machine. So we can validate these machines by using these human factor extensions. We can quickly insert and customize the digital human model itself in the Creo environment. And by using these mannequin libraries, you can apply the which type of postures we want to apply. If the machines will operate by an operator as a sitting position or the standing position, you can set as per the requirement. Can easily manipulate the mannequin posture using the standard Creo parametric functionality. Next one is we can define the vision cones. As I said, you can see in this bottom image, if the human posture will place like this, and what type of viewing scene will be available by this operator or engineer. So this type of viewing window also we can observe by using this human factor extensions. We can validate our design consideration and field of view also. We can create the vision window to see what the mannequin can see. So those type of extensions are also available in itself in the base package of Creo. So up to the whatever the extensions we have learned from the all these 5 days, these all are available with the Creo base package. So that is the beauty of this our software. So by using this, we can create and we can validate our products as well. We can create the concepts for our product itself in the single packages. So whatever the extra extensions I have told up to the these 5 days. So other for the other software we need to purchase it as a separate price. So those extensions available in the Creo at the base variant. So and the last one, the very innovative extension, which is the Creo Parametric Augmented Reality. By using this augmented reality, we can rapidly define, publish, and distribute AR. Rapidly define, publish, and distribute the AR experiences from the Creo environment itself. Whatever the products we are going to manufacture and we are going to design itself in the Creo environment, you can see in this image, you need to just publish this experience on your this Creo platform, and it will observe. You can observe in this your mobile environment by using this Creo codes. Just call as a thing mark. You need to just scan this code, and you will observe this your model as a real in this your real environment by using your mobile phones. Who needs it? Every customer that need to communicate, collaborate, and share CAD data with the engineers, suppliers, partners, and non-CAD users. CAD-based viewing limits productivity and usability. So when we are in any exhibitions abroad or any other cities, every time we have not, uh, we cannot transport our assemblies at that exhibitions. So when in that situation, we can create their augmented reality experience, and we can take those model files from this QR. In this QR code, you can just print this QR code on the papers also, and by scanning with this Vuforia View application, you can just present your model, your machines, your products. It's in front of the audience. The business value is very high with this augmented reality. It will enhance the customer experience using the AR to visualize the product in the real world. It will improve the communication and understanding using skills and real world environment. It will also accelerate the sales, marketing, and customer loyalty with an AR experience. As I said, if we want to present our product in these any other customer, in front of any other customer, our sales guys, marketing guys also for that company also share their product videos, product real time experience by using this Vuforia View application. It will enable the virtual design collaboration using AR to facilitate the effective design reviews. Solid can apply expertise and knowledge using AR connection disparate teams. You don't have any special skills for creating the augmented reality experience. Here is the some only 3 to 4 steps to export your augmented reality experience. There is nothing any special skill sets are required for this AR experience creation. You can enable non-CAD users to interact, explore, and engage using AR. Easily distribute and enable the non-CAD users to interact with CAD geometry. The business value, most important business value of this Creo Parametric AR extension, it will protect the IP, intellectual property of our company or of our organization by preventing the access to CAD data. When we are going to present our product with the help of the documentations, it may cause that other companies or other any suppliers can also steal our products by using this design data, CAD data. So this will prevent this, protect our IP, our company IP, our organization IP by using this AR experience. And the technology capability used in this AR, like the AR setup itself available in this Creo environment. We need to just publish our AR experience, the distribution and viewing via Vuforia View application. As I said, The Viforia View application is available freely available on the Play Store, App Store, Android as well as the Apple phones also. So these all extensions we are going to discuss on today. So let's start with the first one, which is the intelligent fastener extensions. As you can see, we have one assembly, and you can see here is nothing any fasteners on this top surface and this bottom surface of this gear tip profile. So we are going to add the fasteners at here. Now we can see for this special this one component, you can also see here is also nothing have any holes for the fasteners. We just added the reference as a point. You can see here is the points are available. We are just inserting those points, and we will take the references for that points at here. Now you can see in this assembly also that points are appear here. So now I want to add the standard fasteners at this point. Here is the 0.5, 0.4, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 are available. Here is the 3 and 3, total 6 fasteners we are going to assemble here. I will show one by one. The intelligent fastener extension is available under this tools tab, and here you can see IFX special tools are available. So in which you can see the screw and dowels, two separate options are available. The screw and the all types of screw, hexagonal, Allen bolts, uh, other types of all options are available under this option. For the assembly of these fasteners, you can see here is the assemble on reference, one option is available, and next one is the assemble by mouse click. How we can use those two options is I will show, and the other options I will show one by one. So first of all, let's start from the first one is the screwing. You can see this one window is you can observe at here. Can everyone see the screen? And there is hope there is nothing any lag in my screen. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, it's working.
Okay. So let's start again. I'm just again opening this screwing assembly reference collection point collection window. Now you can see here is the position and reference collection. You can see the select the position like point or axis. You need to select the point or axis to insert the fastener. Here I am adding the some points here. So I am selecting the point as a reference, just selecting the first one. And after that, you can see here is the placement surfaces. The screw head, nut or thread headed, you need to give the reference for it. So first of all, the screw head, where we want to add our screw head. So I want our screw head on this surface and the nut surface, nut or thread. If you want to add the nut or thread, you need to select the bottom side surface. If I am selecting this bottom side surface, you can see the arrow get different on top side and bottom side. This arrow will show like this. If I don't want to add the nut on the bottom side, I will select on from the top side. You can see both arrow will go in the single direction. So this is the only one tricky way to assemble the fastener. If I am click on the OK window, now you can see here is the one 2D preview is available for the fastener. Here is the catalogs are available, ISO, HV, fine, inches, structural, ANSI, ISO, JS, multiple standards are available. So I am selecting here as a ISO fastener group catalog. So now you can see in this screw window, here is the library. Library is available for the hexagonal head, socket head, button pan, slotted cheese head, hexabular socket head, and the countersunk. let's start with the socket head cap. Can see. We can call it as a Allen bolt also. ISO, these are the ISO standards 8.8 and 10.9 and 12.9. All these points are for the hardness. So you can just search this ISO 4762-8.8, which type of this fastener. You will get all the informations on Google also. So here I am inserting the 8.8 type. Now we can see the 2D preview get change. And here is the thread type, fastener type. You can see M4 to M36 we can install at this instant. You can see. So here I want to insert as a M6 bolts at here. Now you can see the 2D preview. For the 2D preview, you can see the bottom length is too much. I need to adjust this length. And here also we have option if I want to enter the 20 length, other 16 also available. It will also taking the 14 fastener for it. Now you can see the here is the one option is available, permanently length set automatically. If I am choosing the 30 length, now you can see in this 2D preview the bottom length is too large. It's told us that in by providing the red area, red length. So if when I am clicking on this symbol mark, you can see automatically the fastener length will be applied at here. So here I am using this 14.000 and I want to add the washer. Just click on this. You can see in this 2D preview also you will get the washer. If I want to insert hex coil running inserts are also available. You can add from here. I don't want the add this insert. And again here is the some options are available for the hold. Can see ISO, medium feet, it does all options get automatically set. Here you can see side to the bottom surfaces. You need to add the threads up to which area the thread depth and drill depth will go on. You can adjust from here. Drill diameter will automatically set as per the standard M6 standard. Drill diameter automatically gets set. I'm just selecting it. Here you can see automatically 14.000 total length of this fasteners get selected. When I click on the OK, you can see now when I want to I'm click on OK, the additional option is additional command is prompt on my screen for the patterning option. The software automatically recognize the patternize options, and if you want to assemble this all fastener at a single instant, you can see here is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 fasteners are available. If you want to add this all fasteners on this single instance, just click on OK, and one by one all the 6 fasteners will apply on this assembly. You can see how quick and fast this all fasteners get assembled, and every fastener you can open its part file separately. You can see you don't need to create the its threading portion. You need to just import those fasteners, give the references, and you can directly get assemble these fasteners as it is. Now I am opening this bottom plate, so you can observe the holes automatically get applied here. Now if I am checking this hole diameter by using the measuring tool, you can see automatically drill diameter as per the fastener will automatically get set here. So this way, which type of fasteners we are selecting here, the holes will get generated automatically. You can see if I want to re-edit this fastener, here is the editing tool is available. You can see redefine tool. Click on it, and which fastener you want to redefine, you need to just select. It will automatically redefine all the fasteners because you are inserting the as a patternage. So you can see M4, M6. I'm changing the fastener type from the M6, M4 to M6. Now you can see I'm going to drill diameter will be 5. If I'm click on OK button, the all holes will get change. Hole diameter will automatically get increased. Yes. Now I am again opening this part, and now I want to check the diameter for it. You can see the previous diameter was 3 mm, and now the current diameter is 5 mm. These are the standard drill sizes. Automatically get set. If you want to check the threading, and see, you need to go in the wireframe for the model, and you can see the double circles will be available for these holes, these standard holes. The first one, outer surface, will be for the threading surface, and the middle long surface, long lines for the drilling depth. So this way you can also create the fasteners, and you can also check this all the fasteners ID get created in the our model tree. So this way. And if you want to delete this fastener, just select it and delete all fasteners. You can see the holes also get erased. You can see all holes get again erased. So again, just last, select this, click on top surface, bottom surface, click on OK. M6 by 12. Now if I want to add the counter bore, just click on this and you will get the counter. Here is the counter bore is not possible because the top plate size is too small. So if I am click on this as it is, okay. And now I want to change the plate thickness, and the fastener need to automatically change. Here is the in the intelligent fastener extension, you can check here the screw and the fasteners. You can see in this check screw fastener list, you can see here fastener is okay. So which type of fastener you are using, which type of spring washer you are using, and if you are using the nut, you can see here is this 2D preview as well for this fastener list. Here you can see here is the fastener is okay. Now we are going to change in the model. If I want to change this extrude length for this model, here you can see the 5 mm thickness is available for this plate, and I want to change up to 20 mm, and Control G. Now I am changing its length, and again I want to activate my full assembly. I'll just click on it, and here is the activation window is available. You can see. Now I am again going to this intelligent fasteners exchange option. Here you can see now the screw is too short, it is not screwed in the bottom plane. So this way you can also observe the all the fasteners you are inserting in your assembly. So this is the very important point when you are going assembled all the fasteners, and you need to validate its lengths and its positions. From here you can just observe it. Now here I want to just edit this fastener length. Here I am double clicking on it. Now you can see here is the 2D preview. The total depth of this plate is 18 mm, and after the 18 mm we need to go this fastener need to go below this plate for the engagement. So now I am just click on this automatic option. Now you can see automatically length get updated. The 28 mm total fastener length will get automatically updated, and here also drill depth, drill diameter automatically will change. Click on OK, and all I need to do this change at all instances. You can see now fastener is okay. If I want to check the preview for it, I can also cross check by using this section window. You can see here in the section window, here is the hatching. I am applying it, Disabling this to auxiliary view. This is the auxiliary view also available for the 2D preview of this our section. You can see the plate thickness we have increased up to 20 mm, and now the screw is engaging with the bottom plate up to 8 to 9 mm. So this is engagement is sufficient for this assembly. So that's why the screwing is fastener assembly is okay, showing in this checkbox. You can see the bottom holes get created. If you want to manage those hole sizes, you need to just read it. And here you can see the drill depth 16.5 mm. You can enter here as a 12 mm and click on OK. It is get updated. Now you can see the bottom hole get erased and the fastener will cleverly assembled. Again, I am checking the instance. You can see now the just hole will come up to that top this portion. I'm just cancelling it. Similar way on the top surfaces also you can give the reference for it. Here is the references are available. Just insert the screw, select the top surface and select the bottom surface. Here is the one bottom surface is available. Click on OK. Now again, here is the lock. We can change the options. ISO 1245 option I want to choose. Here you can see in the 2D preview which type of color is available for our model. It will available in the 2D preview for the better understanding. From the side one, threads automatically get set. If you want to add here as M10, you can just add M10. And I want to add here as a counterwork. Now you can see the 2D preview for the counterwork. I'm just reducing its size to M6. You can see the 2D preview for it. You can adjust the length. You can also adjust your length from here. Here is one tool is also available if you want to measure the length. So you can also measure the length by using this tool. The thread depth or other parameters are also available here. If you want to change the fit type for the ISO, you can change from here. Click on OK. It get assembled. Now you can see the washer, the screw is get assembled and the counter bore is get created here. I will show on the here. Here you can see we have not created any hole profile for it. It will automatically get created. So if I want to use this fastener and this geometry at every point at here is the reuse option is available. Reassemble. So select it, select the fastener and give the other reference. Click on apply. Now again for the next, select the reference as axis, click on apply. Select the reference as axis, click on apply. Select the reference, click on apply. The whole parameters automatically get created. You can see, click on cancel button. Now you can see this is very quick. We can assemble those fasteners on our assembly. So now if I am just checking, cross checking, these holes are created are very as per the standards. You can directly edit from here also for the cross checking. You can see M6 by 1 size automatically gets selected. Clearance, shape, you can observe medium fit clearance. You have given here the thread size, depth size automatically get captured from here. Just click on cancel. So this way, this is the intelligent fastener extensions. You can update the holes, you can suppress atom and the other features also. You can see for the doweling also there is the same way. For the doweling, you need to give just reference for it. If I want to add the dowel at any point, click on here, top surface. Will not assemble here. So this is the same way. You can also use this ISO DI in fasteners. Again, here for these dowel pins also, the standards are available. So you can use. I am setting its size as a 10. It's too bit large. Now you can see it will go in the depth as a 9 mm. I want to keep it as a 5 mm, and here is a 10 mm. So by using this dowel option also you can use and assemble. If I want to add the dowel, I am just delete this as fasteners. So if I want to delete the any specific, I need to just suppress this item. And also suppress and update holes. The suppressor item get resumed. So those are the IFX data are available at here. The if you want to do some any customization changes, will be available at here. So this way the intelligent fasteners extensions we can use very cleverly, quickly, and very accurately. So we don't need to remember those hole sizes for that every fastening. It will get automatically created. So let's move towards the our next extension, which is the advanced framework extension. You can see this type of structure I can create by using this advanced framework extension within a half hour only. So every profile will automatically get set, and the joints also we can create automatically, and the also fastening, connecting elements, the welding symbols, this assembly I can create within a hour, half hour only. So there you can see in this model tree, if I am selecting the single plate, you can see here is the EFX U beam 56 get created, and if I want to open it, every part file is created here. You can see the cutouts get created, holes for the fasteners get created. Now let's start from the beginning, and I am just moving, or otherwise just save as your assembly, new. I am just creating some new assembly for the editing purpose, and I will show for every instance. Now in this new assembly, I am deleting every structure of this assembly. Click on delete. All data will get erased. You can see there is nothing, any profiles are available, and here is just 2D preview. You can see the only sketches are available. You can see 2D sketches. If I am editing it, you can see just lines, and the only lines are available for the taking the references. You can see every single line is available, and here we have added the distances for the these lines. We are giving the constraint options. You can see just sketches are available, profile, copy, structure, profile, external curves are available. Into framework option is available in this advanced framework action available in this assembly line in this window. Here I want to create a new project. For the project name, you can create from here the project parameters. If you want to add the prefix, suffix for the every component assembly, counter start, same counter options. You can set the parameters for the project here and click on close. You can verify the projects also if we have completed our projects also from here. Here is the profiles option is available. Just click on it and new profile. Now you can see in this profile window the folder structures are available. Steel beam in inches, inches, wash structure, profiles. These are the all aluminum profiles are available. I will show also again all aluminum profiles also. Multiple shapes, multiple sizes for this aluminum profiles as per the Bosch standard. Item profiles, non-standard profiles are also available. You can see. Take grooves, mini takes, you can see. So this way, lots of profiles are available here. So let's start from the first, which is the steel beam structure. You can see the rectangular, square, round, rectangular, square tube, channel beam, T-beam, I-beam, plates are available. Here I want to add as a rectangular tube. Click on the rectangular tube. Now you can see the 2D preview of your rectangular tube. Here is the information for the length, width, and the thickness of this plate. So here is also again you can see the standards, DIN standards, British steel standard, Australian, Indian rectangular tube standards are available. So now I'm using the DIN standard, and I am selecting here as a 100 by 40 by 2 mm thickness. Now you can see the T, H, and B values are updated here. Just click on OK. And now go in this next. Here is the standard size is available. You can also assemble in new sub assembly also. And click on OK. It will create the sub assembly itself in the assembly window. Now you can see in this position profile window, the size and standards are available. Reference method, line, point, and splines are available. Again, in the references, you can select the reference from here. If you want to sketch, you can sketch also from here. For the orientation plane, which for plane you want to orient. So let's pick from. Let's start from the first one. You can see the sub-assembly get collected. Now you can see the 2D preview for your 3D model itself in this assembly. Just you can see, I'm just repeating it. Now here you can see I want to rotate it. Here is the rotation tool is available. Just click on 90 degree. It will get rotated. Click on repeat again. On this assembly. Again I want to rotate it. Just click on it, rotate. Click on repeat. And at the last position, I want to rotate again. Click on OK. Here you can see in this model tree now, for every feature, you can see here is the assembly get created. Assembly, and in the assembly, you can see the one tube is solid tube is get created. So now if you don't want to use this assembly for the every feature, just delete it and can recreate it. New profile, next, automatically get selected. Just click on it, create the enter button, middle mouse click, select the next reference, select the mouse click. If I want to rotate, can rotate here, at the middle click, at the middle click, and here also you want to add, set the rotation, click on OK. Now you can see here I want to add the rotate this component after the assembly. Here you can see one component I want to rotate. Here is the in the new profile option. Here you can see reuse profile, replace, move, modify profiles options are available. We need to move it. So just on this option and click on 90-degree rotation and click on OK. So this way the operations we can also, after completing these profiles, we can select. Now if I want to change all the profiles, rotate, just select all it and move the profiles, all the profiles you want to move, just select all, click on the 90-degree. So you can see all profiles get rotated. Now again you want to change, click on all profiles 90-degree. Now you can see in this also in this 3D preview, these sketches are in this center reference. All these sketches, you can see all these sketches are available in this center reference. If you want to apply this sketches reference at the topmost corner or left or right, you just select it, press Control button, select all the windows, click on this moving window. Now you can see for the every profile it gets placed as a corner. You can see here is the moving option is available. I am again reselecting as a center, click on OK. Now we want to add the joints for here. So here is the joint option is available, basic joints, advanced joints. So here we want to just add as a basic joints, click on the basic joints. In the basic joints also joint profiles are available. First one, corner joint with the gap, the corner joint with the overlap, and the mitre joint. Here is options are available. If I am selecting the first one, the first profile will be this and second profile will be this. Just select the any surface of these profiles. If you want to re-edit it, just change its corner type. Now you can see. Again, you want to repeat this joint option, click on the repeat, select the two surfaces of these two profiles. Click on repeat. Click on repeat. This last time. And OK. Now you can see my profiles get set. I want to add the pipe for the bottom. Here is the standard pipe sizes are available. Select as a 60 or 70. Multiple sizes are available for the standard. Click on next. Click on only sketches. You can see assembly get installed. Just click the middle click and you can create very fastly this assembly. Select the sketch, click on the middle button. Now you can see if I am going the front view, and you can see my pipe get merged with the upward profiles. Now, again I want to create the basic joints. Here is the joint profile with end cut. The first will this and second will this. So you can see my pipe get cut. Second, then this. You can see very fastly. Click on. Now you can see this pipe get cut out up to this surface. Again, now if I want to add the new profile as a channel beam, this one I want to use an MCP 75 standard. Click on next, select the sketch. I want to rotate it 90 degree. You can see. Again, repeat it. And click on the 90 degree. 180 degree. The profile I want to outward side. Again, I want to repeat it for the opposite side. Just rotate it. And repeat last one for this profile. Click on OK. Click on close. Now you can see in this for the pipe, the profile cutout is very difficult. So by using this basic joint, you can very easily create this first cutout with this reference pipe. Again, same. Just click the middle button mouse and select the all the surfaces. Click on close. Pipe get cut out. W. No, I think something get on. Again,
Sir?
yes.
एक साइड को ये डाला, बीम डाला, दूसरे साइड को बीम डाला, तो मिरर इमेज कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, मिरर इमेज भी कर सकते हैं।
हाँ।
लेकिन फास्टनर एक्सटेंशन में इतना करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है। यहाँ पे बहुत इजीली टूल्स अवेलेबल है, तो वो चीजें भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं, कोई इश्यू नहीं।
Yes.
For the cutouts, I want to cut out here with reference this model. You can't repeat. Select this, select this surface, click on repeat. That's all. Now, if I am checking this, now you can see the pipe cutout get created here for the perfect joint purpose. So similar way, you can also create this advanced joint cutout options with this, or this profile with the reference of this profile, or this profile with the reference of this profile. Here already get created. Click on cancel. If I am opening the every profile, it automatically pipe shape will automatically get cut out from this area. Just click on W. Now again for this connection, basic joints, intercuts with this, and for that this one. Click on OK, and we need to create the cutouts for the from the advanced joints. Here is the cutout option is available. This up to this surface as a cutout. Repeat this with this surface as a cutout. Sorry, we need to use here as a planar trim because the top corner get not erased, so that's why we are using here as a planar cutout. You can see now. Again, I want to repeat it here as a planar cutout. Repeat this with this planar cutout will apply with this, and click on OK. Now, if I'm opening this element, all the profiles angles get created. Now we can add the connecting elements. Here is the new connector elements are available in the non-standard, standard, end plates, corner plates, mid plates. You can see lots of shapes are available. So here I want to add the end plate. End plate align sides. I want to use. Click on this. Click on next. Just click on preview. Element was not inserted for that surface. Click on preview. So for the rounds, rectangular reference will create. So here I am using the end plates only. Profile top, attach surface, as a bottom plane, and click on preview. Optional references first and second. Next, first this one. Third one will be this one. It will not assemble due to five planars. There is nothing any planar surfaces, so we need to change the references for it. And again, if I want to add one more plane, 10 mm from or bottom side. The first will be this, second will be this plane. Click on preview. No, here will this end profile will not assembled. I will show the different example for it. In the framework again for the connector elements as a angle plate, joint plates. Now we can use the standard elements like angle connectors. Click on double connector, click on next. Here I want to add the angle connector. The first profile will be this one and second profile will be this one. Because if I'm going directly with preview, the size will get disturbed. So we need to change the references again. And I'm changing this one with this one. Click on preview. Again, the size does not get matched with this connecting elements. If I want to delete, I can also delete it. The bracing plates, you can assemble these bracing plates like this one. Click on next. Now as you can see, the first profile we want to rest on this surface, second and third one profile. You can see if I am click on the preview button now, it will get assembled. Now you can see the 2D preview for this plate, and we can also change its sizes from here. Click on okay. If you want to again apply this plate and this, you need to just select the bottom profile first and second reference. Click on OK. So this way, the multiple elements you can insert. So now I want to add the fasteners for here. You can see in this element I am going to add the reference with on this surface, the reference of this, and the second reference will be this. Distance as a 50 and 80. And change from here 50 up to 40. Okay. Now I can mirror this point for the reference. Here is the mirror option is available, and this mirror option may available at here also. You can see. Just I want to mirror this point on the other plane. Click on OK. And now I want these two points mirror with this plane on the opposite surface. You can see. And here you can apply the fasteners from the toolbox. Click on the bottom surface and click on the back surface. Click on OK. Now you can see you can change your standards as a hex bolt. You don't want to add the counterwork, just select here and enter here as M10 size. Click on the automatically set size. Click on, you can add the both side two washers. Here it will show us that screw will be too long for this assembly. It may get error here. You can see the fastener get assembled. If I want to reuse this, click on the reuse button, click on the fastener and give the another reference. Click on the apply. Similar way for this surface, click on the apply. Okay, I want to add the fasteners, this reference, this surface and this surface. Click on OK. So you can see this way you need to add just points or axis at these references, and you can add the fasteners at here. And anytime you can change its sizes also. If I am re-editing it, redefining it, and for all the fasteners, and here from M10 to I want to change here as a M20. Click on yes. The process will complete immediately. Both fasteners get changed at a single instant. You can see. So this way we can add and edit these fastener sizes also. Now in these connector elements also, as I said, the lots of options are available for the Bosch standards. These cubic connectors, joints, standard components, items, brackets, connector, clamps. These are all the connector elements are available. So you can use those connector elements as per your requirement. Here is some new equipment options is available. For the new equipment, here you can see in the steel construction, stairs, rails, ladders are available. If I want to use this stair, at here on the next. Create a point as a stair. Now you can see the 2D preview for 3D preview for this reference window. On which surface you want to place it, just select it. The middle plane, second reference, need to select the top surface. The third surface we need to select this one, and the fourth one we need to select the middle one. Click on preview. You can see. So the table size is very small. That's why it's taking this much length and this much steps for it. If I click on OK, click on close, and now I want to change the table size, table height. Here is the one reference. I am taking it from the 750 to 2000. I want to use. Click on Control G. My table size, my ladder, my all other pipe elements all automatically will get changed. You can see very fastly the patterns also get updated. Now I am changing it. You can see all the ladder steps automatically get created with this all the connecting elements. So this way you can do any changes, structural profile dimensions. Here is the 100. From the 100 I want to change here as a 1000. So G, our profile will get automatically updated. So this way we can create very fastly. Now I want to do the profile extreme curves, changes with this extreme curves. Here is just taking the references so we can edit its profile planes length, side one length. Just read it. Here just profile get copied. If I want to do the change from the 375 to offset, okay, automatically offset get collected. Now if I want to add the railings, here is also in the new equipment elements, railings are available. Rails, as you can see, the rail 1 and rail 2 option is available. Click on next. For uh, on the two sides of this rails, I want to add. Now you can see again the reference collector. The first reference will be this, second reference will be internal surface, third reference will be the ending plane. I want to end my railing at here, and fourth reference will be this one. Click on preview button. And last one is the fifth floor reference. For that floor reference, I can collect this bottom one. Get misplaced due to wrong reference selection. Then we can again try with this first, second, third, fourth reference, and last one is the fifth reference. Click on preview. It should be work on the proper way. Now you can see the railing get completed. Click on OK. If you want to repeat use, click on next. Collect again the references, front, the internal surface, second. For the third reference, I am selecting this rectangular tube. For the fourth reference, I am selecting the end plate. And for the fifth one, again this last one. Click on the preview. Every element will created. Click on OK. Click on close. And now you can observe the all the structural elements get created here. You can also create the straight railings also. Second type, if I want to use here, click on next. Two types of railings are available at here. First one is the top plane. Second one will be this plane. Third one we want to end our railing at here. The fourth one we want to start our railing from here. And the floor plane. Fifth will be our floor plane. I can select from here. Click on preview. Let's see, railing get created. Again, click on OK, and again I want to just last one for this side. As the first, second, third, and this one is the fourth. Last one will be 5. Click on OK button directly. It get assembled. So this way you can create these type of structures very fast and accurate. Just I am adding here as a plate. I'm just giving reference for it. Cancel for the plate. We can just calculate its length. External length 800 and 844. Can add here as a 800 and the thickness will be 10 mm. Okay. Next. So now just want to set it as an internal. For the bottom corner. Click on OK. So all this structure we can create very easily, fastly at this position. Now I just at the end as a floor I want to add. Okay. And default last one is the floor. And I'm activating it. On extrude on this. $5,000 to $6,000. Okay, Control B. And as a mm thickness. Control all. I can see the reflection with this. And now we can also apply the various viewing clearance for it. From the view, here is the standard metallic paint option is available. Click on the black. I want to add the black for this, and for this assembly, again I want to add the black metallic. Generally, the yellow railings colors are using in the industry for the railings. Tools, view, black, select, assembly. This one. And in view, again last one. I want to add the stairs color. The single instant I want to give the color of the stairs. You can see yellow color you can add. Probably for this assembly, to this one. Just select view, click on this and click on metallic color. And this plate, add the green color. For the floor, can add any color for the floor. Now I am changing the viewing experience. Now you can see. So this way, we can create the this framework and save it. So let's move towards the last topic of our session, is the human factor extensions. I am closing this assembly. Just 1 minute. We need to erase our history of our current project. And the structure, human factor extension. I am again opening the my full assembly. My keyboard. Will just take a couple of seconds for the loading the all the components. If you want to feel this AR experience about this machine, you just download the Vuforia View application in your mobile phone. So after this human extension, human factor extensions, we will discuss the how we can create this AR experience. I will show these steps also. I will show on live also how we can create this AR experience for the every tool in Creo environment. So here let's start for the mannequin. You can see the mannequin tool is available at here, and I'm just changing the window, and now you can see the insert mannequin. Here is the PTC mannequin is available. Click on open. Here is the mannequin posture is available. Here is the posture as a standing or sitting. Which type of posture you want to apply here, and the placement. For the placement, I want to place this mannequin at this position. I can see it get merged with this machine, and I want to change its facing. For the facing reference, I am selecting here as this one. Now you can see the mannequin get placed. And it mannequin get assembled at here. This separate assembly. And next we can manipulate this mannequin. For the manipulation, we can change its positions, its hand positions, its reach envelope, its postures. You can set from here. For the reach environment, I want this handle for this mannequin on this. I want this hand for this mannequin on this handle. Now you can see it get applied at here. Sorry, here you can see. And if I want to change the other hand on the other place for this mannequin, you can see it get merged. For that, you can just change its position. Just re-edit it, and you can change its positions. And now last one, I want to change here. Click on OK. I am again changing its position. The assembly is large, that's why it's taking time for the loading of every component, updating every component, and regeneration. You can edit this motion envelopes of this mannequin. We can also apply the multiple postures. In this apply posture options, you will see the multiple varieties of the mannequin postures. Look at window, vision cones. You can see here center of gravity, ruler analysis options are available at here. Comfort angle analysis. What are these analysis? For the ergonomic analysis, I will show, or the again reach envelope. I'm just changing its position from here to this surface. Now you can see. Now if this mannequin want to observe the specific area of this machine, just change this facing at this look at window. Just look at positions we need to set at this point. And now I am off, click off this pose, and now we can see the vision window for this mannequin. Click on close. I'm just hiding those sketches. Click hide the elements. Now you can see which type of vision cones are available. Vision window is available. You can see, you can observe those windows at here. You can manage the size. Mannequin look at vision window, the center of gravity, ruler analysis, comfort angle analysis. We can observe here. The vision window we show here the reach envelope for this mannequin. You can also reach this by using this ruler analysis. You can see computing. It get computed, and now the ruler analysis score for the 4 points we have observed here. Where we can check its results, where we can validate. For that, you can go in the help center, and you can observe this ruler score in this help center. Which score and which value and which one will be the correct, and observe from here. And just search here ruler analysis. Click on the search button. The ruler analysis, about ruler analysis. Now you can see here is the 1 to 4 is acceptable, 3 to 4 is need to further investigation about the ruler analysis. Those values we need to observe which value is available by using this ruler analysis. We need to follow these instructions. So again, there is other comfort angle analysis are available. How we can perform this comfort angle analysis, mannequin comfort angle analysis, carrying analysis we can perform in this area. So now at the last one, our last topic, which is the augmented reality. Hope everyone install this before your view applications. I am just again saying Ria before your view applications. As I said, it is available, freely available, this one, before your view applications on this Play Store. Google Play Store is also available, on the Apple Store is also available. Just go and install it. So we will start our last topic of our training session. The augmented reality tab is available under this toolbar option. Here you can see this augmented reality. For that, we need to add this special target or the thing mark, the special target or the thing mark we need to insert, and the our assembly, you can see here I am inserting the thing mark. Now you can see it get assembled at the bottom of my assembly, and we need to just place at here and just click on OK. Now thing mark get assembled in the assembly. After the thing mark get assembled, you can just verify the position of this thing mark, and after that you need to publish your model. You can see for publishing the augmented reality experience, you should have the PTC account. It may your own personal just basic accounts also, or the academic account also you can use. If you don't have the PTC account, you can click here also. Here is the one option is also available for it, and after that click on OK. You need to enter those email and password at this publish model available here. You can add this publishing experience model name. Here I am adding the new machine, the viewable quality, which type of quality you want to observe while publishing the experience. You can set from here. If I click on the high, it will take too much time for the loading and publishing this appearance. In the publish to as a current, now you can set from here as a personal, and while publish environment manage model option, you can manage it as a publicly. Click on OK. It will take time to publishing experience as a new machine. After publishing, we need to manage it, manage model. It almost get completed. Creo view file has been saved, and our model will be published. Okay, this type of window will get prompt on our Creo environment. So file size is also large, so that's why it's taking too much time. If you have any doubts regarding this AR experience publishing, so you can ask now. So I will cover, clear your doubts also. Now you can see the publishing of augmented reality experience model is successful. So this model get published on my account, and now we need to manage as a public account. Control B. See, and here is the manage model option is available, and this in this manage model for the your basic PTC account, you should you can publish up to 10 experiences or with your account. Now you can see here is the new machine. I have already publish the other models also, cutting machine, conveyors, pump models, no bike model we have already published. Now you can see here is the access. In the access you can set as a public, on which date you have published your experience. Here is the, you can see from here you can delete your experience also from here, and it needs the internet connection. So for the while publishing this, your AR experience, you need to connect your PC with the internet. And now I am sharing this with the my email address, this QR code. As a support direct INV Invensys CAD solutions.in, and I am just adding one note, uh, machine AR experience. Just send, click on send mail. Otherwise, here is the download thing mark option is available, print thing mark option is available. This specific thing marks also will get generate. Click on the print thing mark and you will get the thing mark also. Here I want to as a PDF. Click on apply, click on print, and I want to keep on the desktop as a 1, 2, 3. And on the desktop, PDF will get generate. Here you can see. The thing mark size is too large, so it's printing. Is also available at here, so we can use this as well. So now I'm sharing my mobile screen with you. Can you see my screen? I'm sharing my mobile screen at here.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay, okay. I'm just enlarging this thing mark. Now you can see I can take this before a application. I have already downloaded it. Now I am scanning this thing mark with this from our mobile. Okay. This we don't have this experience, so now we can just I will show same machine experience, industrial machine at our floor. Can you see my mobile screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am just adding this machine on our Can you see it now? Your
Yes,
office.
sir.
So this way we can add the our AR experience. You can observe. So whole machine get published with this model. You can rotate, you can add these services points. You can rotate these machines also. You can zoom in, zoom out at a specific component. So this way you can publish the multiple experiences. So I will show one next example, like a custom bike. Here I want to add the custom bike experience on my floor. It will get load. You can see this cycle will get available at here. So this way you can publish your own models with this AR capability, and you will observe the all the things. So this way you can also publish your AR experience by using this Creo environment. It's this all the extensions up to from the first day to up to this our last session we have told is all with the Creo base package, and it's very easy to use, and the all the tutorials trainings are available at our end also. So if you have any detail level trainings also, we will provide you. So you can ask the questions for the all the extensions up to the we can talk. Can ask the questions. Okay, in the chat box. Can we edit the square pipe size as per the requirement other than standard size? Okay. And I check in the framework option profiles for the square tube. Here the standard sizes are available. For this, if you want to add your own size here, we can customize this library. This profile library we can customize, and you can add our own customized standard formats at this area. So for that there is a different process. So you can also add this customizable formats also. Other questions? In the framework design is checkered plate means, I think this checkered plates means, hello, is there Vijay sir, Vijay Patil? Are
Hello.
you? Yes sir.
Sir, I wanted to know about this checker plate, whether it is available in framework design or not.
These checker plates means those are used at the
Flooring
buses.
of buses, huh? Flooring of buses.
Okay, okay, okay. I need to check it. Yes, it's available. Uh, just I need to check, but it is available in this framework extension.
Can you show it, sir?
Just a minute. Hello.
Sir. Please.
We can add these checker plates also. I will let you know where this option will be available.
Yes, sir.
Please contact me with me on WhatsApp. I will show you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Name of the applications before you have you. Okay. Yes, Nitin sir. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you can show your model.
Yes, sir. I'm
You can.
turning.
Okay, okay, okay. Up to that, anyone having any questions? Okay. Can you share your screen?
Sir,
Okay, you already log in with mobile. Okay. Are you done this model in the Creo?
yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Uh, you can also share these images or this model with us, so we can publish this model with our LinkedIn account, our Facebook account, and we will promote yourself, your college, as well as this will all we can link with our LinkedIn page, so it will get promoted globally.
Okay, sir.
You can share this model with our. I will share our mail ID also, and you can share this. So, any other questions? Here you can see in the chat box, I have shared my email ID. So you can share this your model with us. So we can promote you, your college, and everyone. So last one. I'm just sharing 2 to 3 slides with you. Uh, we have the customers already. We provided them the Creo software and the some references we collected from them themselves about the Creo and the usability. We have the customer, which is the Fortune Engineering, available in Ambad, Nashik. So they are manufacturer for the connecting rods and the camshafts. The Fortune Engineering using this Creo Essential and Creo Advanced Assembly extensions. So by using this Creo Advanced Assembly extensions, you can see the initiatives taken by the Fortune Engineering during NPD for the new product development for the connecting rod modeling. During the new product development, it is the use for the modeling for the connecting rod forging, which help us for the initial study of our products. It will reduce design lead time. It will improve the accuracy, improve the communication between the other software files also. These are the initiatives provided by this our customer. Again, the Rahul Patade is the design head in this Fortune Engineering. So this Fortuna took the initiative to develop in-house design facility for the designing the fixtures and gauges in much faster way by using this PTC Creo. Our design capabilities have the improve, and we are able to reduce the design lead time by approximate 30%. These are the words by the client. So they already reduced their design time by using this Creo software almost up to 30%, and they got result like they can increase. They are already increased their design efficiency, improve data accuracy, more competitive and agile team, and they are also increase their pricing confidence. Also, one customer we have in the Ambad, which is Apras Polymer in Nashik. They are using the Creo Essential plus TDO. These extensions they are manufactured for these pumps, plastic parts. So they are also in the new product development, tool design and export mold based extension. They are using it, and they take these initiatives, and after that they also got the result like this, like increase the sales, improve data accuracy. They can got the result like increase per person output, standardization in design leads, and they observe the more output by using this design software. So these are some customer references also we have about this Creo software. So let's now here we have concluded that our 5 days training program is over. So if you have in future any doubts or any hello, Chavan sir.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Yes, is the session completed?
Yes.
Okay. So I would like to thank, first of all, I would like to thank the iCAD Tech Support, Invensys CAD Solution, and the Anil Pagar sir for organizing this session. Then I would also like to thank all the trainer from the Invensys CAD for organizing such a nice session and having clearing all the doubts of the participants. All the technology you have been shared with the participants are very nice, and the recent technology is being shared and taught in very well manner. So I would like to thank all the trainers for devoting their time, and I would like to thank the Guru Gobind Singh College of Engineering and Research Center principal, HOD, and all the faculty from Guru Gobind Singh College of Engineering for supporting this seminar, 5 days workshop. I also like to thank all the participants for their active participation in this workshop and uh, creating a healthy environment, healthy learning environment, and participating in each and every modules as well as assignments, etc. And I would like to thank the principal of GCURC for allowing us to schedule this 5 days workshop. I hope you all have enjoyed this session. The feedback link of this session is being shared to everyone's email ID. So kindly go to your mail ID and you have to fill the feedback form for getting the certificates. So if any one of the participant would like to share their views, they are welcome to unmute their mic and they can share their views. Anyone from any participant would like to share their views?
We will really like to hear the reviews from the students. मराठीत बोललात तरी चालेल, पण आम्हाला तुमचे रिव्ह्यूज हवे आहेत with respect to training and some improvements. We'll definitely like to have feedback from 2 or 3 students or even anybody who wants to speak. Anyone, Nitin, will you like to say something about the training? Or Bhushan, will you like to say something about training?
Sir, training session was good. I learned new thing from you, many new things, such as framework. I don't know how to do that, but experience was good. The teaching skill is nice.
Okay, thank you very much, Nitin. Aditya, you want to speak something?
हा
Aditya
सर,
Shinnis.
खूप भारी सेशन होतं आणि भरपूर गोष्टी ज्या आता मी सेकंड इयरलाच आहे, पण ते पुढे जाऊन मला उपयोगी पडतील असं वाटतंय आणि मजा आली बस.
Thank you, Aditya. Anyone else like to give some suggestions? Any suggestions from any student?
तर कॉलेजमध्ये बेसिक शिकवलं जातं, पण आपले जे सेशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये भरपूर अशा वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी आहे, ते पूर्ण क्रिओ ॲज अ वेगळ्या डिफरंट व्ह्यूनी बघायला भेटतं.
Okay, that's thank you, Shrikant.
थँक्यू.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Uh,
Hello. The session was very fabulous. It was first of all, I would like to thank Guru Gobind Singh College of Engineering and Research Mechanical Department for organizing such a fabulous workshop. So it was a very fabulous experience for me to participate in this workshop.
Thank you, Aniket. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I will like to, Chavan sir, I will like to say something. Will it be okay if I say something?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah. Thank you, Godre sir. Basically, we have given this training with the very new approach actually, because the new age is coming everywhere. Internet is coming up. That's why we included the all the modules of the Creo because no more Creo is giving the basic licenses, like basic parametric licenses. But their basic is now includes this framework, piping cabling, that includes mannequin analysis, that includes flexible modeling, that includes render studio. Maybe due to the time constraint, we could not cover the render studio. I think we have covered the render studio also. So it's a very nice package to have and to work on, and it's really enjoyable tool to work on. Uh, as a students, I will we will ask you to explore as much as possible any 3D modeling software, not only Creo but others also. But we are fully having expertise on Creo, and we have been doing this from last 6 years. So we have very good experience on Creo, and that's what we can offer the students the best from our side. Apart from that, PTC is also having another beautiful tool we may not be able to cover here. That is MathCAD. Since you're students, and I will like to explore the MathCAD. MathCAD and Creo can be connected. MathCAD is basically for the calculations. You can do all your engineering calculations like RS Khurmi book, or any another design book where calculations are playing the major important role. Or even you can create a mathematical modeling inside the MathCAD, where you can do the derivative and integration, and that will be an awesome experience. Also, I will like to tell you people that the people from Guru Gobind Singh College last year people, I don't remember the name, but I think Chavan sir and my colleague Harshid knows them. Those people have created the NC toolpath, and they have machined the component using the Creo NC tool, which we have not included. But that will give you another experience where you can make the model, do the machining, do the calculation for that model, generate the concept design, make the models. So it's basically it basically becomes very uh, uh, what we can say, basically gives us very good idea about how we can use the Creo in future, and all things are available in Creo. Apart from this, also Creo is used for the tooling design. They have TDO, then AMX, that's included into the academic package, or also maybe in student license. So you can also, if you some people have interest in that, they can go for it and take the experience of that. And what we will suggest you, you have learned this Creo and apply in a manner where you can do all the things in one go. I mean, no need for CAM programming, CAM programmer, or no need for calculation expert. You can do it on your own, and you can experience it using MathCAD. Then create the model in Creo, which is driven by MathCAD parameters, and you can also do the model which is driving the calculations, vice versa. You can take the simple knuckle joint application, and you can do that. That will be awesome experience, I believe. And that that you can connect with your NC machining, and that you can connect with the augmented reality. You can use Viporia. Trial may be available on the ptc.com. You will get the different experience. You will be getting through all the phases of the product. Then IoT is also there. So combination of this means the smart connected product. So what PTC, if you go to the PTC web page, you can see the smart connected products, and that's what everyone is looking for, the smart connected products. So you will find it on PTC page. If you go to PTC IoT page or IIoT page, you will find the more information about the smart connected products. Why I'm saying this to you people, I think there are more than 120 people yesterday, and today 100 people. Why I'm saying this to you, smart connected products, because now era has been changed. Okay, it's already was changing, not COVID, but COVID made it faster. So everywhere internet is going to use now, you won't believe that the kids from the 1 to 4th, or 4 to 6, 4 to 10th is having their email IDs ready, which we took, I think, almost 20 years, 22 years or 24 years to have our email IDs. You had much earlier than us. Maybe you are when you are at your graduation or at your 12th. But these kids, those who are in the first or fifth, they are having their own email IDs. They know Zoom, they know all other applications on the available that as much as you know. So these people are becoming techno savvy, and they will need a lot of digitization. So next age is for the digitization. They know 3D printing because these people, the lot of schools is having 3D printers, small 3D printers. They know 3D printing, so they know how to make the part, how to print it, how to be creative and generate the product itself. For you people, it will be a very good time to enter into this field of smart connected products and smart connected operations. Learn Creo very fast. You don't have that much of time to take like us. We took 20 years or maybe 10 years or maybe 5 years to learn the Creo in depth. But the need of our is that you people should be expert in the Creo at college level. So exploit your CAD CAM lab, ask your teachers for more time, and hone your skills there and there itself, because you need to make a smart connected products. And you also need to work on a smart connected operation. Some of us maybe go in production, some of us maybe go in quality, some of us maybe go in purchase, some of us maybe go in another department, service department. Eventually you need to use the smart technology, and that smart technology is nothing but the smart connected operations. So that both the things are drive by the CAD model. I mean, CAD is a digital model, and one is a physical model, which is our machine. Right now you just saw the whatever model you have created, you are able to see without any sharing the data, and that was too fast. So that's what we call is a digital twin. I mean, we can place the same thing on the machine. You can just scan the logo and you will be able to see the digital machine. So this is the era where it is we are now. And AR and IoT is extremely important. You please do those courses. Even yesterday Mayur sir told you to read some book what he has on PDF from pdfdrive.com. Please read that book. I will go further and I will ask you to the just go and Google it, smart connected products. First link will be coming from Harvard University. There are some nice articles from them. Even you will find it them on PTC. Some of them you will find it on ptc.com. And this technology has been driven by the joint venture of the joint venture or joint efforts of the PTC and Harvard University. So they come up with the products like smart connected products and smart connected operations. So factory will be connected, product will be connected, so we will be connected. So I will request you to exploit the CAD as much as possible and go on and also learn the AR and IoT. So that's what is I will like to say you. As far as your skill improvement, we have our YouTube channel, our Facebook channel, we have our LinkedIn page, we have our Twitter account also. So you can follow us, you can ask us questions, you can keep our numbers, you can remember us, Invensys CAD Solutions, and you can call us anytime. Any of my colleague will definitely try to answer you and help you. Also, we have given the link in the chat box. I will request you people to give us the your reviews on our Google My account page. I will be very happy to receive your online feedbacks also. Uh, so we will be really request you to write those reviews. That will help us to uh, take another students to this kind of training sessions. And we at the end I will like to thank Guru Govind College and Guru Govind College especially. Again, I am telling you that this is the first my customer who entertained me when I started my business. So I'm very thankful to Guru Govind College from my bottom of heart. And today we are here. You're saying good to us. So that's because of Guru Govind Singh College, where we started our journey. We will like to take it to the next level definitely, and in coming years we will be you will be seeing that we will be having very good relationship or very good value contributed to the Guru Govind Singh College and their students also. One of your students is sitting with me. You are seeing the Sonal Mandale. She is from the Guru Govind Singh College. So she is working with us from last 1.5 year. So it's been very nice to work with her also. So it's a different student from Guru Govind Singh College. I would like to thank you, Parminder Singh sir, for giving us this opportunity. Nikam sir and Mohd sir to facilitate this opportunity for us. We'll also like to thank you to the Chavan sir and Kudale sir for making such nice arrangement and taking so much of registrations and efforts for us. So we are also thankful to them. Uh, if you feel that this training was bit fast, we got some feedback from the students. If you feel that it was fast, we are also going to arrange. We can also arrange one-to-one some paid training sessions if you want to go further in depth. This was although it was in depth training, but if you want to further go in depth, we will definitely like to have. We can we can definitely help you there. So again, I would like to thank you and handing over mic to the Kudale sir.
Thank you, Pagar sir, for your valuable words. I hope all the students will stay connected with Guru Gobind Singh College of Engineering and Invensys CAD for their lifelong journey in engineering. I would like to thank all the participants for participating in this event. I hope you all have received the mail of the feedback form. You should fill it to receive your certificate. You should fill both the form, one shared by the Invensys CAD in the chat box, and also the one form which is shared by me on your mail ID, which after filling out that particular form, you will receive the certificate of your workshop. So I will thank the Invensys CAD, Pagar sir, and all the participants for participating in this event, and especially Pagar sir for organizing such a great event for GCURC. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. One more thing, all the students, please share whatever exercise you have done. We will definitely post it on our social media pages along with your name, and that will also help you to make your identity as a Creo expert kind of thing from the Guru Gobind Singh College.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I will conclude this session. Session and workshop is completed. So thank you all. You can leave the meeting. Thank you, Bagar sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.